How to fix HBO Max sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everyone, I will show you how to solve and fix this issue. Let's do it. Open first your settings of your device, click on apps option, search for HBO Max and click. You're gonna find right now this list, go to storage and right now click clear cache. So back then click on force stop and click OK. And directly you just have to move to Play Store or App Store and update your HBO Max. Restart your phone right now and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and